Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Slack app tokens and permissions with Admin Console step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Slack admin. Log in with your admin credentials. Once signed in, locate the Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Manage Apps to view all installed applications. In the search bar, type in the name of the app for which you want to verify tokens and permissions. Select the app from the list to open its details. Scroll down to find the OAuth and Permissions section. Here, you will see the permissions granted to the app. Take note of the scopes that are listed. If you need to verify the tokens, look for the Tokens section below the permissions. Check the token type you are interested in, either user or bot tokens. Copy the token from the Admin Console for verification purposes. Now, open your preferred API testing tool, such as Postman or curl. Paste the token into the authorization header of your API request. Make a test API call to the endpoint associated with the app. Observe the response to ensure that the permissions align with what you noted earlier. If you see any discrepancies, go back to the OAuth and Permissions section. Review the scopes and permissions in relation to your API call. Make any necessary adjustments in the Admin Console. After making changes, retest the API to confirm that permissions are now correct. Always document any changes for future reference. This will help maintain clarity in your app's configuration. Once you have verified the app's tokens and permissions, you're all set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.